Hi everyone, I want to show you this because this is amazing 3D printing technology that the Chinese are using, or one Chinese guy anyway. And he built these houses like in 10 days for 5,000 US dollars each, something like that. And they use recycled concrete and building waste to build them. And the reason it creeps me out a little bit is because what can they put in that waste, to bulk it up? Because, the Chinese have done some things like that. Look, 3D prints 10 recycled concrete houses in 24 hours. This is incredible. No one should be homeless at all when there's this technology available. But what I mean about why it creeps me out is because they found mattresses in Hong Kong that came from China, mainland China, and they were filled with garbage, and people were sleeping on their mattresses, and they couldn't figure out where this horrible smell was coming from, and they had stuffed them with garbage. So can you imagine with the 3D print giant printers? Look, the house is 200 square meters, costing $4,800. Each dwelling created in a few hours. But anyway, can you imagine what they could add into the industrial waste? Yeah, because this has happened, with their food. They made soy sauce out of human hair. They made the milk out of melamine, and so you can't really trust these people. Look, instead of using bricks and mortar, the system extrudes a mix of high-grade cement and glass fiber material, layer by layer, similar to traditional rapid prototype typing processes. Using CAD for the architectural plan, calculated tracing paths consider insulation materials, plumbing, electrical lining, and windows, which can later be outfitted once the rest of the structure is assembled. So it's just like the base, and then you fit everything in. I once took an AutoCAD course. That is really difficult. Anyway, look at this 3D printer used for construction measures 6.6 meters by 10 meters and is 150 feet long. So they had to build the printer, the 3D printer, to build all this. Anyway, here's the guy. So fascinating.
These buildings behind me were not built in the normal fashion, but were actually printed out by a 3D printer. This printing method was developed by private inventors.
The 10 standalone one-story houses look normal at first sight, but the walls are made up of layers of construction waste and cement instead of brick and mortar. However, technological limitations prevented the building's roofs from being printed. The buildings will serve as offices at a high-tech industrial park in Shanghai. We visited the company's workshop in Shanghai's neighboring city of Suzhou to find out precisely how the buildings were printed. The walls are primarily made out of material refined from construction waste and mixed with cement. The wall structure was scrupulously designed to ensure soundness and practicality. The printer used to make the walls was designed and made by inventor Ma Yi-he. His company and research center are all made out of 3D printed walls. It took about a month for him to build his office, which covers an area of over 10,000 square meters. Ma said a 3D printing assembly line usually consists of 4 printers. He added that the new technology is cost-effective and environmentally friendly.
So amazing, isn't it? But what a way for the mob to hide a body. Oh, sick thought. There it is, putting it together in pieces, assembled in Shanghai on site. That, I mean, it's just amazing what human beings can do. I'm always amazed about the building that human beings have done over time and in history. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll put the link in there so you can go watch this on Design Boom, the whole article. Also, Design Boom has endless amounts of articles that touch on technology that are mind-boggling. So go to their site, and I'm going to put up videos every now and then that I want to share, but there are too many, and they're remarkable. Our world is changing, so be ready. It could all come crashing down any moment. So be ready, and God bless everyone.